Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So happy you stopped by. My name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den. So in today's video, it's all about getting it done. Whether it's a DIY project, a home decor project, trying out a new recipe, we all have lots of time on our hands, so let's get it done. And this video is in participation of a Get It Done challenge collaboration hosted by Nicole Northgarden. I will be sure to leave a link to her channel in the description box below, so go check it out. You just hit the little arrow that says more and you'll find it down there. Go check out her channel. She does amazing videos all on thrifting, going to thrift stores and all that kind of stuff. She finds some incredible items. So she issued this challenge to get it done, whatever the project is that you want to do. If you want to try a new recipe, share it with everybody. If you want to do a DIY project, share it. My Get It Done project is all about cleaning up my closets, two closets in particular. One is my closet in my room. The weather is starting to change now, and I want to change over my winter clothes to more of my spring summer clothes, and I want to do that. And then I also want to start putting away our winter coats and our winter boots that are in our downstairs laundry room / mud room. So it's time to get that done. But before we get going, I want to say a big thank you to Nicole for hosting this challenge. Be sure to check out her channel and the playlist, which will be linked below in the description box. So now I'm going to get it done. So I'm going to start here in my closet in my master bedroom, and I'm just going to take down all my summer stuff and then go through the closet part and take all the winter clothing off the hangers, fold them up, and replace them with the summer clothing.
So beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
Now, a little trick I used in both my closet and my husband's closet, on the top shelf in our closet, all I did was take some very inexpensive shoe racks and I put them on the shelf, and that gave me extra shelving on top, and it really helped keep everything organized and not piled one on top of one another, and it makes it much more accessible if I need to get to anything. There really wasn't much to do on the bottom rack. This is where I keep my pants, my work pants, my jeans, some leisure pants, and they were already pretty organized as it was. So here it is, all finished. I have all my sweaters. It's hard to see, it's really dark, but I have them up there on the shoe racks, and then all my summer tops are now hanging nicely. Now I'm going to move down to my laundry room and start clearing out our winter clothes. So while I was in here, I thought I might as well give this room a quick tidy up and a wipe down, because it is where we come in from the garage, and it does tend to get a little out of hand at times. I really don't understand it because it's just my husband and I. Just saying, it's probably not me. But I thought while I was here, I might as well wipe down the washer and dryer, get rid of some of the dust, and just give it a good cleaning.
Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high.
Then I moved over to the other side of the room and just organized a bit of my cleaning supplies and my laundry detergent, and again, it was just to get it done and get it tidied up, something I've been wanting to do for a while. So both boot racks were, filled with some salt from outside from the wintertime. So I did take those downstairs to the laundry tub and I did give them a good wipe down, and they look so much better. Then after everything was back in place and freshened up, it was time to just give it a quick vacuum to pick up all the stuff from outside. And here's a look at the finished room. It feels so much better. The winter clothes are put away and the boot racks are clear of all the winter boots, and it's vacuumed, so there's no little pebbles lying around. Feels so much better to get this room all cleaned up. And the cleaning supplies are organized a bit better and back in where they should be. So it felt good to get it done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one. I didn't want to bore you with all the details and all the watching me clean up everything, so I fast forward through a lot of it. It actually didn't take me that much time to get it done. Once I got going, I'm kind of used to changing over my clothing, so I kind of have a system going. I know what I'm doing, but it was good to purge some stuff and get rid of some stuff that I know I'm not going to wear anymore. But I am glad I got it done because the weather's supposed to change and be really, really nice next weekend. So fingers crossed I can start wearing some of those clothing. But a big thank you to Nicole for hosting this and for getting me to get it done. And I hope I inspired you to tackle a project, whether it's a recipe, a DIY project that you've wanted to try, or just cleaning out some of your closets or cupboards. I hope that you get it done. So until next time, guys, I hope you're safe, I hope you're healthy, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Cheers!
I've been waiting for this.